Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, go to search bar, type here services and click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to find out the background intelligence transfer service. Right click on it, select properties. We need to set startup type as automatic. Click on apply and start the service. Once done, just close the window and now go for Windows update. Here it is. Right click on it, select properties, again set startup type as automatic. Click on apply and start the service. Once done, we need to close the window and simply go to search bar, type your task manager. Click on run new task. Select browse button, go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. In the Windows folder, we need to find out system32 folder, open it, then go for cmd file. Here it is. Just select it and click on open and check this box. This is very important. This will create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. So I will show you. Type in net space stop space WUAUSERV and hit enter. Again we need to hit enter to execute the command. Now type in net stop space CRY PTSVC and hit enter. Now we need to wait for few seconds, then type in net stop space bits and hit enter. Okay, then type in net stop space MSI server and hit enter. Okay, then type in net stop space app id svc and hit enter. Now type in cls and hit enter. Then type in ren space c:/windows/ software distribution space software distribution .old. Once done, type in ren space c:/windows/ system32 catroot 2 space catroot.old and hit enter. Once done, we need to type in net space start space WUAUSERV and hit enter. Wait for a few seconds, then type in net start crypt svc. Okay, my bad, we need to space. Okay, it's I forget to add t net start space crypt svc. You need to execute all these commands carefully. Okay, so hit enter. Now type in net start space bits and last type in net start MSI server. In the last, we need to type the command net start app id svc and hit enter. Once done, type exit, and we need to simply restart your system and problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.